Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Home Decoration Ideas. The test designing today's video is exterior design decoration ideas, United States country style here and there. This is great nice looking of your favorite exterior design, exterior home design refers to the aesthetics and functions and spaces of homes. Outdoor appearance it completing designing in your favorite exterior designs, United States country style and different country styles and different designing in your favorite exterior designs. The front of the house including the entrance windows and doors, settings, the materials used to cover the exterior walls such as brick, vinyl or stucco. The style and materials are the roof, including shining bricks, tiles or metals, lighting the designs and light out of the surrounding yard. And this is amazing, nice looking backyard exterior and backyard designing in your favorite exterior decoration ideas. If you are new to my YouTube channel, then subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest videos. It is great nice looking of your favorite home interior exterior decoration ideas. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching this video.